All right, and we're back. Thank you so much again. So front door, really beautiful, comes into this hallway here, leads into the family room. We have two family rooms, living room, family room, interchangeable titles, I suppose. Beautiful big windows, leads into the awesome kitchen. So this is a great area, sit and relax. And this is something maybe a little bit more formal, if you like, as it goes right into the renovated kitchen and so forth. But now, so what we have, and then there's the bathroom off here, which is a full bath, stand-up shower, laundry area, everything ready to go. And it leads out to the third car garage, which I'll get to in a minute. So in this house, the second car garage was converted. The reason it was converted into this workspace is because they worked from home as it's a hair salon. So that was it. So they didn't want to pay the fees to a salon. They just opened their own salon here. It has a private entrance with lock, beautiful windows, has a mini split so it can get down to about 78 degrees in here respectively in the summer. And over against this wall is where the overhead garage door still is. And there is some plumbing here for this sink basin. So it would be capped off. So all these things can come out, not a problem. It does have a dedicated bathroom, as you can see. So if someone were living in here as a casita space, which would be beautiful with a private entrance, put in your bed or couch or whatever it is that you want to do, maybe a games room, football room, you know, whatever. But if somebody was actually using it as a livable space for sleeping and, you know, hanging out, for a shower, they would use this. But for showering, basically just come up into the house right here and boom, you got your shower and everything you need right there. So this wouldn't be a regular casita for rent, probably, because there's no kitchen in it. Although you could, you know, kind of make something happen if you were so inclined to do that. Also, if all this was torn down, you could do that too and just return it back into a simple large two-car plus garage. Back here, they have the access to the third car stall, which we'll get to in a minute. I'm sorry, the tandem, three-car tandem. And this just obviously was set up for the business. So they have the water heater, the cabinets for the towels, the sink for rinsing, all that stuff. Anyway, so all this is removable. And it's a really large space for living. I've seen it in Airbnbs in this scenario where everything has pool table, all kinds of arcade games. It's painted really fun. There's all kinds of opportunity to do that, but this space is awesome. And if you're a hairstylist, you've got it made. Okay, so that's the two-car garage area that was converted. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this out into one last part. Where are we at? We're about 3 minutes or so. I'm gonna go and go ahead and take you through the back area, which I think you're gonna love. So please hold tight.